For today's reading, you will need to remember the elements of a short story, which can be found in section 1.1, Fiction. In addition to this, we will be talking about points of view. For our concerns today, we will be looking at three main points of view: first person, third person limited, and third person omniscient. Let's take a look. First person. In a first-person story, the author speaks as one of the characters, usually a major character or the protagonist. The story is told using the first person, words such as I, we, us, and our. For example, telling a story about yourself or a character telling a story about herself, these are both examples of first-person point of view. Consider frog. So I thought and I thought. I didn't think I would ever understand math. Then suddenly I got it. 4 + 2 is 6. Success! Here we have Frog telling a story about himself, which makes it a first-person point of view. We can see the use of the word I, which indicates the first person. Next we have third-person limited. In a story told in third-person limited point of view, the author tells the story through a major or a minor character. This character serves as the author's spokesperson. Here the reader knows the thoughts and feelings of one character. It is important that it's only one character for third-person limited. We'll see the use of words like he, she, and they. For example, if you're reading a story where you're following the protagonist on his journey, this is a third-person limited point of view. Consider this little monster. Once Kleptus had mutated into a yellow slime monster, he had to quickly learn how to pass over street chains without falling through them. Here the author is telling a story about one character, Kleptus, which makes it a third-person limited point of view. Lastly, we have third-person omniscient. A story told in third-person omniscient is told using the third person. Here the difference is that the reader knows the thoughts and feelings of more than one character. Again, we will see terms like he, she, and they. For example, a story where you follow both the protagonist and the antagonist throughout their journeys. Consider little Madeline and the cat Maxwell. I am going to get that cat and pull it around by its tail, thought little Madeline. If that baby comes anywhere near my tail, she is getting the scratching of a lifetime, pondered Maxwell. Here the author speaks through more than one character, the baby and the cat, which makes it a third-person omniscient point of view. So those are the basics on point of view. Remember, first person, third person limited, and third person omniscient.